Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the PhD admission notification is announced from the one of the central university, that is the Sikkim University. Fine, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. So go to the admissions 2020 to 21 then you will be directed to this web page, and here you can find out that admissions 2020 to 21 MPhil and the PhD programs. Click on this one, then here you can notice the PG and PhD and MPhil admissions in this central government college or the central university. And coming to the PhD, the last date for application is 31st October 2020. Fine. And while coming to the notification, a short notice regarding this one, that means here the departments are mentioned: anthropology, botany, chemistry, Chinese, commerce, computer applications, economics, education, English, geography, geology, Hindi, history, horticulture, international relations, and law, management, mathematics, microbiology, music, Nepali, peace and conflict studies, physics, political science, psychology, sociology, tourism, and zoology. So these are the departments, and the last date is the 31st October 2020, and it is online application link, guys. Okay, and coming to the prospectus, so here the detailed notice for this PhD admission program is mentioned in this one. So all these details you will get clearly in the link that I am providing in the description box of this video. Fine, so here the important contact details are also given here, so you may check down. And coming to the individual departmental wise, the dean email ID and contact number is also provided, and what are the departments and what are the programs available. So all these things are given here clearly, so you can check down, guys, with respect to the contact number and the email ID. So if you are having any queries regarding the admission process for this PhD program, so you may contact or you may put your you may send your query to the given mail ID here. Fine. And coming to the written examination and the interview, both these two are compulsory for the admission to the PhD programs. 10% weightage on the maximum marks obtained in the written test shall be given to the candidates with the UGC NET including JRF, for all including JRF holders on regular mode with 1 semester coursework. Okay, and the written test shall be for a total of 70 marks and 30 marks for the performance in the interview. Fine. So these are all the details, guys. So date of the written test is also given here for the PhD programs. Okay, so group A, group B, group C, 9:30 to 11:30, these are the departments. And the written test is on the 25th November 2020, and the interview is on the 26th November 2020. So the candidates who are selected, then they will be called for the interview in the next day itself. Okay, the process will be finished within the 2 days. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in the central government university. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, guys. And here, while coming to this prospectus here itself, you can find out the qualifications for the individual department, okay, that is provided here. So for the anthropology, for the PhD program, the 2 seats are available, and the required eligibility is, eligibility required is MA or MSc in the anthropology with 55% of marks for general and 50% for SC, ST, OBC and DA. And the broad area of specializations with the number of seats, all these things are given here. So if you are interested to do in the central government university your research work, then it is a very good opportunity to you guys. So don't miss this opportunity, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues also. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by the month by this month end, the course is going to be finished, and by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC net electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC net electronic science. Thank you, guys.